Okay, and they have mentioned that on Monday this particular amount is used, and Tuesday this much, and Wednesday as they have given on the chart. So in the first question they are asking, find the total quantity of acid that was used during the 5 days. Right. දවස් පහේදී එනම් පාවිච්චි කරපු acid ප්‍රමාණය හොයන්න. What can we do, Rifki?
We had to add.
Very good. You can add these all 5 quantities in each day. Right? And Roman number 2, they are asking, what was the quantity of acid remaining in the vessel at the end of the week? All right. So Sudas, tell me, what can we do to find the amount of remainings in the at the end of the week? මොකද අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන්? Yes?
අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් සර්.
Yes, you can subtract. What? From what? Yes? Yes, you can subtract.
full amount එකෙන්
Oh.
week එකේ
Use කරපු ප්‍රමාණය. අන්න හරි. Okay. So do it quickly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes? Anyone having a question? If you have finished answering the second question, and you can attend the third question, and if you have finished that one as well, let me know. Right? Proper sentences when you are answering. Okay, Nikini?
Okay, sir.
Sairu, good morning. Sairu, good morning. After a long time, we didn't have class last week, so Sairu, I ask you people to do this question 2 and 3. Do it by yourself in the book. Quickly read the question and answer it. I will only give you 5 more minutes. Now it is 9:20 and 9:25. I will stop.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, which page? Sir?
Do you have any problem?
Sir.
Excuse me.
Yes. You need to speak loud. I can't hear anyone.
Sir, which page? Sir, which page?
Now only you join. You were in the class for few
Yes,
minutes.
sir. I didn't join because there was a problem.
Question number 2 and question number 3.
Which page?
71. You can see it in the screen as well. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to write the third question, Roman number 1?
Okay, what they're asking for in a certain type of paint is marketed in tins of the following size. Says 500 milliliters, 1 liter, 2 liters, and 4 liters. Okay. So in the first one, they're asking the person wish to buy 1 liter of paint. What are the two ways in which he can purchase this? Okay. So tell me, if you want to buy 1 liter of paint, liter ekak ganna na. What? How can you buy it? One method is Rifki that you can buy 1 liter, 1 tin, no?
1000 milliliters.
Yeah, 1000 milliliters. So it is 1 liter. And tell me another way that you can make 1000 milliliters by using the combination of these 4 quantities.
500 milliliters
500 meters
multiply by 2.
Yeah.
multiplied by 2.
That means you can buy, yes, correct. So thus, you can buy 2 500 milliliter tins. So they are the two ways. First one is buying 1 liter tin. Okay. The second one is buying 2 tins of 500 milliliters. Okay. So they are the two ways that you can buy 1 liter of paint. Understood? Okay. Answer the rest of the things quickly.
One liter paint
Right? Have we finished? Those who need more time, let me know soon. Kiana tha vela ona innada? ඉක්මනින් හදන්න.
I'm going either. I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
Right. I hope that you have finished, all of you. So let's go to the question. Second one. So first one you have answered it, and Roman number 2. What they're asking for? The quantities of each type that were sold during a week is given below. 4 tins of size 1 liter, 3 tins of size 2 liters, 7 tins of size 500 milliliters. Now they're asking, express the total amount of paint that was sold during week in terms of liters and milliliters. Okay, cool. So let's have a look at this, how we can do this. Share, so you go to this. Okay, so the first sentence is number of 4 liter tins sold. Yes, it says that how many tins are sold? 4 tins. No, only yeah, size of 1 liter tins. Okay, we'll consider 1 liter tins. So they have sold 4 liters altogether then. Then number of, we'll go to 4 into 1 liter, right here, 1 liter, which is equal to 4 liters. Number of what they are giving in the next case, 3 tins of 2 liters. Number of 2 liter tins sold. Yes, it is 3 into 2 liters. So altogether, how many liters? 6 liters, right? Then
liters.
okay, and 7 tins of 500 milliliters, right?
500 milliliters.
Yes, okay.
Altogether 10 liters and 3,500 milliliters.
Okay, let's have a look at that. Number of 500 milliliter tins sold. So 7 tins have been sold, and it is 500 in milliliters. So once you multiply 7 by 500, you will get 7 times 5 as 35, no? So this much of milliliters. So you can convert it into liters. How much? 3.5 liters. Am I correct? Right. So now
Yes,
they are
sir.
asking the total amount of liters. Total amount of, don't write in the screen, okay? The one who will write will be removed. Total number of liters sold, right? So the total number of liters sold, so you can take the sum of 4 liters, 6 liters, and 3.5 liters. So once you take the sum, this is 10 and this is 3, and altogether 13.5 liters. Rifki, check your answer whether it is correct or wrong. Right? Have you finished this? Right. What is the next part they're asking? A person who bought a tin of size 4 liters, used 2 liters and 700 milliliters of it. How much paint was left? Okay. So Roman number 3. Amount of liters, amount of paints bought will be equal to 4 liters. So what is the amount of paint used? Amounts of paints used. So how much they have used? 2 liters and 700 milliliters. So what you have to do is simply subtract to find the amount of remainings. So amount of remainings So what you have to do is simply subtract this. How much you got it? 1 liter of 1 liter and 300 milliliters. Okay, so let's go to today's lesson and we will quit this lesson.
I am not finished.
Okay, quickly you can write this down. I'll give you a few minutes.
So this lesson is finished.
So that's how you finished, right? You are there.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So I have finished writing.
Okay, good. Saru, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Nikini, have you finished writing?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am finished.
Okay, good. So now we can move into the new lesson. So we have finished the lesson liquid measurements, and the coming up new lesson is lesson number 17, which is solids. So we can't do a solid lesson virtually, right? That means we need to have a physical class in order to learn the lesson solids, right? You need to make solids and you need to identify them very clearly by your hands, and hands-on experience is necessary to do these lesson solids. But so that I will skip the lesson number 17 and I will move on to lesson number 18, so that we can discuss like which is, so the lesson number 17 is algebraic symbols. Okay, so algebraic symbols is the new lesson. So all of you write the name of it. Algebraic symbols. I've written in here as well.
Sir, we have to write this heading.
Yes, of course. This is 17th lesson.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, I can't hear you. Who is this?
Sir, the lesson is 80.
Is that 18? Ah, yeah. It is 18.
17.
I can't hear you. Speak louder, right? Who is this?
Okay, sir.
Sayur is this, right? This is 18th lesson. I'm sorry. Okay, so before discussing about algebraic symbols, we will learn about some of the symbols that we generally use in mathematics. Okay, so all of you write a subtopic: symbols used in mathematics. This is the first subtopic under this lesson: symbols used in mathematics.
Okay, sir.
Right. So when we discuss about symbols, what are these symbols? How we learn about this word, or what do you know about all these symbols? Rifki, what have you learned about symbols? I'm not talking about mathematics. I'm generally speaking about symbols. Have you ever worked with symbols, and have you ever used these symbols in your day-to-day life or in the school? I'm not talking about this lesson, right? I'm just asking, have you worked with symbols in day-to-day life at home, maybe in the kindergarten, maybe in grade 5, maybe in grade 4, anywhere else?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes.
Okay, what are these symbols then? Why do we use symbols? So you guys, you need to speak, right? So why do we use symbols? What is the reason? Yes, we do use symbols to represent what? Nikini, can you give me any idea? What do you know about symbols?
Decoration.
Sairu, I can't hear you properly. I'm hearing you from far, far away. That some problem with your mic or somehow whether your device is far away, there's a problem. Anyhow, I can't hear you properly.
යමක් හඳුන ගන්න භාවිත කරන සංකේතයක්.
Yes, exactly. That is the meaning of a symbol. Great. So, Rifty, can you give me any place where you have worked with symbols? Have you gone on road? පාර ගිහලා තියෙනවද?
Yes.
Huh? Yes, yes. You have gone on a road. So, if you once you see this kind of a thing, මෙන්න මෙහෙම එකක් දැක්කොත්, right? So imagine that you have something like this. Okay, and here you have a symbol like this. Here you have something like this. What is this thing? Have you
Turn
seen-
to right side.
Yes. What it says? There's a turn. Oh, you will have to turn into right hand side, right?
Right.
So, yes. So this is a
Road symbol.
These are road symbol, right? So we call them what symbols?
Road symbols.
Yes, road symbols, road signs. So you can call them in common, right? So symbols are used to represent something, right? Now imagine without having this kind of a thing, right? You had a huge board and it says all of the drivers you can turn right. All the drivers turn right. So do the drivers have time to read this? Stop near the board or read it and then go?
No, sir.
Right?
No.
Are they doing like that? No. If so,
No.
what will happen? Probably there will be pretty much accidents, right? Why? The driver is looking at the board and reading the board and then drive. What will happen? A lot of accidents, right? Right. So what we do, we use road signs, right? Similarly in here, in mathematics also, we are using these kinds of symbols or signs that is to make easy our mathematical learnings. Okay. So did you understand why do we use symbols? Did you got the idea why are we using these symbols and all?
Yes.
I hope that, yes, good. So in mathematics, we are using several types of symbols. Okay, so when it comes to mathematics, basically from very small grades, you will have learned about numbers, right? So have you ever used numbers before? Yes, of course, right? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So what are these symbols? So we can give what do you call? A common name for these numbers, right? So we can call them numerical symbols. Okay. And Sairu, other than Randiru, other than these numerical symbols, what are the symbols that you have used in mathematics up to now? Yes. What about mathematical operations? What are the signs that you use?
Addition, subtraction.
Yes. So for addition, we use something like this. For subtraction, we use yes. Then for multiplication, we use like this. And for division, we use a symbol like this. All these are, what do you call them? All these are symbols, right? So we are using these symbols to make easy our learnings and to make simplify the things that we do in our day-to-day work, right? That's what we use symbols. Okay, Liana, put a comma below this one and write. Liana Sarvadala, symbols are used. ඔගලගේ ටොපික් එක යටින් ස්ටාර් මාක් එකක් දාලා මේක ලියලා අපි ඊළඟට මේක ගැන මේ විස්තරයක් ලියමු. හරි? First of all, write the thing that I am telling right now. Symbols are used in day-to-day life and in various activities to make them easy. When it comes to mathematics, we are using many different types of symbols and they can be and they can be categorized into several groups as well. Okay, so Lian, number one, numerical symbols, right? So numerical symbols are actually what do you call them? Numbers. So what are numbers? So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you can write many as you wish.
Sir,
Yes.
zero number එකක් විදියට ගන්න
Yeah, you
බැයිද?
can consider, yes. 0, 1, 2. I have written only 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you can consider 0. Yes, correct. And operation symbols. So we use very operation symbols. Additions. So this is used for addition. And this is for subtractions. Okay, you can write them. And this is, what do you call this? Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Yes, exactly. And what is this?
Division.
Yes, you can write that quickly. So you can write these all.
Excuse me, sir. Finish, sir.
Yes, good.
Sir, I am not finished.
Okay, write it quickly.
Sir, I have finished writing.
Yes, okay, Sudas, have you finished? Fast.
No,
Write
no,
fast.
sir.
Write it quickly, Buddha. Okay, so now next write the subtopic. Known terms known terms and
Sir, I can't hear you clearly.
maybe a problem in connection right in here. Wait for a while. Known terms and unknown terms. Write the subtopic: known terms and unknown terms. Okay. So what do you know about known terms and what do you know about, what are these known? What is the meaning of known and unknown? Known, what do you mean by known? And what do you know known and unknown? So when it says known කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Known person. Known කියන්නේ මොනවද? What do you mean by that? Yes, you are pretty familiar with that. Okay, if you consider a known person, right? දන්න පුද්ගලයෙක් කොන සිංහලෙන් කියනවනම්, right? Unknown කියන්නේ you don't know, right? Okay, so when it comes to mathematics, right, we don't have people here, no? What do you have? we have numbers, we have expressions and all these things. So when it comes to this, when it comes to mathematics, we do have known terms and unknown terms. Okay, so in mathematics, we are using different symbols to denote both of these types, or what you call, we do use different symbols when representing known and unknown terms. So we will have a study regarding that. Okay, now put a star mark and write. In mathematics,
ඉස්සරහින්ද?
put under the topic. No need to write this.
Okay, sir.
Just a blue color thing on it. Under the topic, you can write. In mathematics, we have different types of terms that we consider. They can be categorized into two main types. Number one, known terms. Okay, so let's write what are these known terms. Known terms කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා ලියමු අපි දැන්. ලියන්න.
Okay, sir.
Okay, known terms කියන්නේ ලියන්න. In mathematics, constant terms in which we know the exact value. Known are the known terms. Yeah. The known terms. Right. Second one. Unknown terms, number 2. Okay, unknown terms කියන මොනවද කියලා ලියමු. In mathematics, constant terms in which we don't know the exact value if you want to change the color, you can change the color and write unknown terms. Right, I'll highlight it here. Known terms, unknown terms, you can highlight.
So I have finished writing.
Okay, fine. So let's discuss about these unknown terms and known terms further. Okay, so okay, now tell me some examples for known terms. Rifki, can you give me an example for noun terms? Rifki, are you there? Sairu, are you there? Yes, can anyone give me an example for this? Rifki, are you not in the class? What are you doing? Hello, Rifki, can you hear me?
Sir, I can't hear you clearly.
Why not? Nikini, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, others do have. So there may be a problem with your connection. I hope, because I'm with a proper steady Wi-Fi. It's not variable. It's not varying. Check your connections. Right. Nikki, give me an example for noun terms that you know. Example
A number of days in January.
Yes, exactly. That's good. Number of days in the month of January. Yes, Sudas, can you give me an example? Right. What else? Can you give me, Sudas, can you give me an example for that? Sudas, can you hear me?
Sir, numbers of the week.
A number of days of a week. Exactly, that is correct. Okay, we'll write that. Number of days in a week. And what about if you consider a book like 80 pages? So don't you know the number of pages in that particular book? You know it, no? So you can say number of pages in a exercise book. You know it exactly, right? So these are some examples. So you may write. And what about the alphabet, letters of the alphabet? What do you know about them? How many letters are there? Rifki? Number of letters in alphabet. How many letters are there in the alphabet, English alphabet? Go.
32.
English? I know only 26 though. What are 32? What are those rest of the things? Have you found new letters? Right. So what are, give me some examples for unknown terms. Yes, any idea about unknown terms that you know?
Number of
Yes.
trees in the jungle.
Okay, good. Number of trees in, we'll say like Sri Lanka. So to be a little bit specific, number of trees in Sri Lanka, do you know it? No, you don't know.
Water tank. Sir, water tank level lega.
Okay, yes, they are good examples. And if I ask you number of sugar cubes in 1 kilogram of sugar. So what happens? Do you know about all this? You don't know, right? So we don't know.
No.
Yes. So what about the distance from what can you say?
Distance from India to Malaysia.
Okay, the good example. A country will think like length of we'll think building kind of a thing. Length of Polgahawala railway station. Do you know the length? No,
No.
we don't know. Okay, good. So you may write some examples. Okay, complete this chart faster, quickly. Clear? Right, guys, write it quickly.
Okay, sir.
Wait for 2 minutes. I'll be coming back.
Randino. Randino.
Sairu,
Rifki,
මේ අද චමෝදි ටීචර්ගේ ක්ලාස් තියෙනව නේද?
මගේ එකට මැසේජ් ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ තාම.
ගෲප් එකේ ඒවා නැද්ද? ඈ?
ඉන්න මගේ අලුත් නම්බර් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. නෑ. එවලා නැහැ තාම. මේ
ලින්ක් එක එවලා නැහැ?
රිෆ්කි මේ ටමෝදි ටීචරයි සයන්ස් ටීචරයි ජෝග්‍රෆි ටීචර් කරනවද?
ජෝග්‍රෆි කරනවා චමෝදි ටීචර් තමයි ජෝග්‍රෆි කරන්නේ.
සිවික් කරන්නේ අර ටීචර් නේද? කුමාරි
Are you having
No,
any
no,
kind of a class over there?
No sir, my number is new no sir. Other
My
teachers
number is
don't
new?
know that.
What happened?
Now there's another number.
Can't hear you properly, me Sairu.
There's now sir there's another number.
I know that I have added you to the new group, no? Okay. Right, okay. Have all of you written the examples here? Have you noted down this? And have you written new examples? If you have a new idea, yes, come on with that. Tell me some new examples. I would like to know. Yes. Okay. Now, in here, then api many number of days in the month of January.
Number of coconut in coconut tree.
Okay, good. You can write that. Okay, now listen. Right? Now, if you consider the number of days in the month of January, January මාසෙ දින දින ගාන ගත්තොත් Sairu, how many days are there? You have 31 days. So this is the particular symbol that we use to represent the number of days. නේද? ඉලක්කම් දෙක තමයි use කරන්නේ. Right? And if you consider the number of weeks, number of days in the week, how many days are there? There are 7 days. So this is the particular symbol that we use to denote that number of days. Okay? And 26 is the number of letters in a in the alphabet. Yes. Okay. So we have specific symbols that we used to denote each of these known things. නේද? අපි දන්න දේවල් represent කරන්න මේ වගේ ඉලක්කම් පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Now, what about the unknown terms? Do we have any specific symbols for them? So, do you know the length of the railway station? Not really, right? So, we will consider what can we do in such situations where you have to represent these unknown terms. ඔන්න සමහර තැන්වල in mathematics, actually talking, in some of these situations, you can use different symbols. Okay, so we will learn about what are the symbols that we can use in such situations. Put a star mark below and write. In mathematics, in mathematics, we do use numerical symbols to denote the known terms. Full stop. And
Sir, screen එක පේන්නේ නෑනේ.
see the screen?
හරි sir.
Oh, okay. Some connection issues with you people. Okay, anyhow. So in mathematics, we do use
Right
numerical
word.
symbols to denote the unknown terms and the symbols that we use to denote unknown terms are called as yes here අහගන්න මෙන්න මේ unknown terms represent කරන්න අපි පාවිච්චි කරන symbols වලට කියනවා algebraic දැන් algebraic කියලා කට්ටිය කියනවා anyhow algebraic symbols මොනවා කියලාද කියන්නේ රිෆ්කි what do you call them
Algebraic symbols.
okay nikini what do you call them
Algebraic symbols.
okay good right so write it and if you have another color or else you can highlight it algebraic symbols හරි එතකොට මොනවද මේ algebraic symbols කියන්නේ කියලා බලමු හරි අපි algebraic symbols කියලා අමුතු දේවල් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැහැ දැන් අලුත් symbols જાතියක් හඳුන්වලා දෙන්න එහෙම යන්නේ නැහැ okay so what we do is algebraic symbols වලට පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ english simple letters okay so let's write that below this one තව තරුවක් දාලා ලියන්න we are using simple we don't use capitals okay simple for capital english simple english letters as algebraic symbols එහෙනම් අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ මොනවද english ඉංග්‍රීසි හෝඩියේ simple akuru right so you can use simple a simple b simple c any letter simple p simple q simple r and you can use l m n any letter x y z any letter that you like out of these 26 letters but definitely it should be what letters මොන letters වෙන්න ඕනේ
Simple.
that they should be simple they should be definitely simple english letters understood right right have you finished writing
Yes, sir.
okay good
No, sir.
okay quickly
No,
write
sir.
So I have finished writing.
Okay, good.
So we want to write that heading.
Yeah, instances where we use algebraic symbols. Randinu, are you in the class? Have you written this thing?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. I thought that you have slept. You have fallen asleep. Okay, write this heading, instances where we use algebraic symbols.
Yeah.
All right. So I will give you some examples where we use these algebraic symbols. So when it comes to, actually, we are going to discuss about some examples. Okay. So when it comes to some examples like this, number of students in we can consider in Maliyadeva College. So do you know the exact number of students in this school? No, right? Therefore, you can use an algebraic symbol to represent this number of students in the school, right? Okay. So since we are discussing about a number, right? So you can use the symbol simple n. We are discussing about a number, no? So you can use the symbol simple n, right? And let's have another example. We'll think length of can we consider? Okay, length of Polgahavela
Railway station.
railway station. So since it is a length, what is the most suitable letter that we can use? We are discussing about a length. So you can use simple L. So can you understand that there is a pattern of this one? Okay. So what else? Now, if you consider, we'll think like weight. Weight of a train. So do you know the weight of a train? No, we don't know. So you can use what? Simple W. Why? Since we are discussing about a weight को हम W वकुरने ने हाँ है ना අපිට පුළුවන් simple W වකුර පාවිච්චි කරන්න, right? So you can use any other one as well. Now somebody can suggest me, why can't we use simple A? Yes, you can use any letter of English alphabet, right? But to have a pattern, right? So when we are discussing about numbers, we are practiced to use simple N, simple X, simple A, such kind of terms. And if you are familiar with length, we are mostly using simple L, like these terms, right? And when we are familiar with time, right? Now let's say time taken to travel to Colombo. So can you tell the exact time? No, right? So you can use simple T to denote that. Okay, so you can use these algebraic symbols here. Can you understand? Okay, so you may write down this. Yeah, number of students in Maladeva College will be simple N. Length of Polgahavel railway station, simple L. And if you consider breadth of Colombo Road, or Kurunagala Road, or Kegol Road, any road. So since we are discussing about a breadth, so you can use simple B. Understood? And you can discuss about a price. So price of, what can you say? Price of a cupboard. So we are discussing about the price. So you can use simple P in here. Can you understand that there's a pattern? Okay, write it down.
සර් පොඩ්ඩක් උඩට ගෙනියන්නකෝ.
Okay, write it quickly.
So I have finished writing.
Okay, we'll wait for the others. I want you people to write it fast.
සර්
Yes.
මේ වාක්‍යවල අර algebraic symbols වල තියෙනව නේද? දැන් අර number of students in Malayadeva college කියලා තියෙන්නේ.
Oh.
ඒ වගේ වාක්‍යෙම ලිව්වහම ඒ වාක්‍යෙ තියෙන කැමති අකුරක් දාන්න පුළුවන් ඒ symbol එකට.
එහෙම එකක් නෑ. or වාක්‍ය තියෙන කැමති අකුරක් නෙමෙයි. Now since we discuss about a number කියනකොට simple n අකුරෙන් අපි පටන් ගන්න. ඒකයි මම මෙන්න දැම්මේ. ඔයාලට ඕන capital නෙමෙයි, sorry. If you like you can use simple A. If you like you can use simple X. If you like you can use any symbol. එහෙම no any rule, right? These are just general norms. හරි? there's no any such rules, right? You can use any symbol, but so this is like generally you can use these types. තේරුණාද? එහෙම මොකුත් නැහැ රූල් එකක්. හරි මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන එකම ලියන්න ඕන කියලා එකක් නැහැ. ඕන එකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, hope you have finished writing. So we will go on to the next topic and we will finish up the class for today. Write the next topic. What is our next topic? Variables. Variables. Okay, so what do you feel when you heard the word variables? මොනවද මේ variables කියලා කියන්නේ? Oh, what do you know about the word varying? Yes, any idea, Nikini? Something you know about varying and variables, you may tell me. Yes, varying means it is subjected to changes all the time. Okay, so when you consider about some examples, real life examples, right? Those tell me who those the ones who go to shop. No, not in these days. In previously, the ones who students who practice to go to these shops and market and all the fair or anywhere, right, with your parents. Rifki, have you ever gone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you go to Saturday fair at Godavella, right, or anywhere, right, in fish market, right? So can you buy a certain vegetable or a certain good like fruits, vegetables, or fish, these types of things at a constant price? එකම ගානකට හැමදාම ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Can't.
Yes, we can't, right? Practically, it is not possible, right? What happens is the prices of such products, such as vegetables, fruits, fish, all these types will change every day. Okay, හැම දවසින් දවස මොකද වෙන්නේ? වෙනස් වෙනවා. ඔන්න ඔය වෙනස් වෙන ඒවාට කියනවා අපි vary වෙනවා කියලා. Right? So in mathematics, we are discussing about variables. So when it comes to variables, means there are some quantities which we don't know, or sometimes some situations are there that we can predict, can tell the value, but it is not exact. ඔන්න ඔය වගේ කියන්නේ මේ වගේ මිල ගණන් එතකොට අපි හිතමු like the amount of rain that you receive on other වහින ප්‍රමාණය, right? So can you give an exact value? No. What happens day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, second by second? These quantities subjected to change. Such quantities are called as variables. Can you understand what are variables right now? Rifki?
Yes, sir.
Nikini, can you understand what are variables right now? Sairuk, is it clear? Limira? Not Limira. Randhinu, is it clear? Sudas, is it clear what are variables? Variables කියන්නේ මොනවද එහෙනම්? අපි දන්න හරි නොදන්න හරි values වෙනස් වෙන දේවල් වලට, right? Okay, let's write. තරුවක් දාලා ලියන්න යටින්. Put a star mark and write terms or values which are subjected to change every time are known as variables. If you wish, you can change the color of the pen and write. Terms or values which are subjected to change every time are known as variables. Okay, right.
ආය පාරක් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Okay, can't you see this? Terms or values which are subjected to change every time are known as variables. Okay,
සර් ඔක්කොම පේන්නේ නැහැ ඒකයි.
why can't you see it?
මැද විතරයි පේන්නේ.
Why, what's the problem? Rifki, is that so?
No, sir. It's
You can-
clearly.
Yeah, maybe a problem in Nikini.
හරි සර්.
There's connection issues, right?
හරි.
Yeah, you should see the entire screen like. Okay, fine. Right, now in mathematics, there are situations where you need to represent these variables as well. Okay, so Randino, what we do is we are using all those algebraic symbols in here as well. හරි මේ variables represent කරාද නැත්නම් අපිට මේ variables ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ නෝ එක එක වැඩවලට right ඔන්න ඔය වෙලාවටත් අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ අර algebraic symbols ම තමයි ඒකත් ලියමු අපි යටි to represent these variables we are using algebraic symbols. To represent these variables, we are using algebraic symbols. So what are algebraic symbols? You mean right? මොනවද අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් algebraic symbols වලට නා simple a b c x y z yes any letter that you can write. Okay, you can write 3 dots. Okay, hope everybody has written this. I will give you a small homework to be to do at home. Okay, exercise 18.1 and exercise 18.2, right? So 18.1, it is pretty simple. You have to fill a small chart, and 18.2 as well. You are asked to write whether they are constant or whether they are variables. Read the question properly.
Page number.
94. Read the question properly and answer it at home. So for today, I'm going to stop the class and I will have an extra class for you people. So what about Monday evening? Are you people free on Monday evening? Can we
No,
have a
sir.
class at
No.
6:30 p.m.?
No, sir.
PM, 6:30 p.m. How's
No,
I
sir.
am free නැද්ද?
Sir, එදාට ඉංග්‍රීසි ක්ලාස් එක තියෙනවා.
English class. Then what about Tuesday evening?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, Tuesday evening is okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so since I gave you a holiday last
Sir,
week,
the time?
The time will be from 6 to 8 p.m. 6 to 8 p.m. on Tuesday.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
I will drop a message in the group, so everyone join. Okay, so this is only the third class that we have finished for today, and since the month is coming into an end with on this Monday, we will complete another class, so that all the 4 classes for this month have been completed, and we will try to most probably we will start the classes within next weekend. I will let you know on the group. So Sudas, you may give a call, so we will prepare some kind of a thing for you to join, whether maybe it is on, you can join online or you may come physically to the class as you wish. Okay, Sudas?
නෑ ඒ කියන්නේ ලබන සතියේ ඉඳන් මොකද්ද සර්?
නෑ තාම හරියට ෆයිනලයිස් කරලා නැහැ. කිසිම පන්තියක් තාම පටන් ගන්න කියලා නැහැ. දැනට අපි මෙහෙම දිගටම ඔන්ලයින් කරගෙන යනවා. හරි? ගොඩක් වෙලාවට සති දෙකකින් විතර පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. හරි? ඒක නිසා හැමෝම අවධානයෙන් සුදාස්, where are you from?
Alawa.
You are from Malawi, right? Okay, not much far away, so you can come. Okay, so thank you for joining. And other class ivarai. So we will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Amatak karanne ba hari angaharwada house hide class ekak තියෙනවා.
Okay, sir.
Okay, goodbye everyone. I will
Goodbye,
not call you.
sir. Have a nice day.
Rishi, don't forget the class, okay? Randinu, don't forget the class. Nikini, Sudas, everybody join. Sairu?
Okay, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day.